You know, our actual problem is not financial corruption of these politicians or incompetence. Our actual problem is corrupted judiciary. And we have made holy cows out of them. And they themselves have declared that nobody can ask for their sources of income, including FPR. And them judges are numb to the Model Town incidents. And they are indifferent to the Baldia Town massacre. And they turn a blind eye to blatant horse trading going on in Sindh House. And they don't care that American officials have met 45 different politicians to stage this coup de jure in the interest of America. But when they saw this coup failing, and while the Model Town and Baldia Town cases are pending for decades, they rushed to open their courts on a Sunday to give speedy justice. Mockery. Bitches of the riches. My request to the public is that the actual power lies in the hands of public. Let's clean them up.